And now you just take it and enjoy. And here, cut enough cabbage to cover the bottom of a frying pan. The frying pan you're going to use, cut it like this. It doesn't need to be very thin. Cut the frying pan, cut. And that's good enough. Set aside 2 Kanakamarsh sticks. Cut them like this, or you can shred them by hand. I prefer to cut them like this. Cut and set aside. 4 leaves of Chinese bok choy, cut like this. Cut, cut. If you don't have it, you can use regular Napa cabbage. Cut. And now into pieces. One egg, one. Just one, beat it a little. And here, rice paper, cut it. In the middle. A really tasty recipe, and also quite different. And now in the middle, again. Now let's prepare our sauce with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. It can be light or regular. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. 1 heaping tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 tablespoon of water, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well until all the cornstarch dissolves. A little oil, 1 egg. Medium heat, then stir. Add the selga. Sauté for a minute. A little bit of salt. Add kanakama, 100 grams of cooked Japanese rice. And now mix well. From here, it kind of reminds you a little of yakimeshi by the way it's made, just with different ingredients. Stir well, mix well, and here you just need to turn it off. Here I'm going to transfer it to a plate, let it cool down a bit. And here I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And let's mix it well. Here, with everything well mixed, let's make small balls. Balls just the right size to fit in your mouth, which we call hitokuchi, right? A mouthful this size. A little bit of oil and sauté our cabbage, a little bit of salt, black pepper, and mix it all together. And you don't need to make it too soft. Let's leave it crunchy. Spread it out well here. And here, with the heat off, let's place the dumplings like this, keeping them well separated. Now add cheese on top, whichever cheese you prefer. And now take the rice paper, dip it in water quickly, and wait a little bit for it to start softening. Now just place it on top of the balls. It's a very different dish. It's really tasty. Just be careful not to let them overlap. That's it. Done. Add all our sauce, spread it well. You can add a little bit of water, cover it, and let it cook on low heat. Here it's almost out of broth. Just turn it off and add green onions to taste. Now just grab it and enjoy.